Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In the last video we discussed about update command, like how to modify the data in our tables. So in this video we are moving on to the delete command, which is about removing the data from a table. So let's look at the basic syntax of delete command. Delete command start with delete keyword. From here we need to mention table name from which we want to delete, and the next is where condition, based on which conditions we want to delete our rows. Let me keep this in comments. Delete from table name tells SQL which table we want to delete records from. So where condition tells SQL exactly which records we want to delete. So without mentioning the condition here, SQL will delete all the rows in our table. So which is usually we don't want that. So always remember to be very careful with the where clause when using the delete command. So let's run this select statement to view the data present in our table, employee table. This is the data present inside it. So let's try to delete a record from this table. I am giving delete from table as employees, mention in the condition as where employee ID. I want to delete the employee ID equals to 3. So let's run this query. At the bottom of the screen in the output section, you can see the delete command is successfully executed. And to verify whether this employee ID equals to 3 record is deleted or not, just run this select query. And in the output you can see employee ID 1, 2, 4 and 5 are present inside the table, but whereas 3 is deleted from it. So that's it for this video, and I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.